Welcome to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani, your host and teacher. I want to show you a cool cajon groove in this lesson. That's kind of a combination of two rhythms that I've shown you guys before. So we're sort of combining Caribbean with South American. Or you could put that in a number of different ways, but we're sort of implying the clave, but we're also implying the two feel or the pushed feel and the straight feel. Lots of ways to describe it. Here's what it is. So good gat scat doon bat dood gat goon get that dood gat good get that. So that's kind of a cool feel. I think you could use this in lots of styles of music. I don't know that it has a name. Maybe you can leave your suggestions for a name below. But let's break it down. And I'm going to slow the metronome down. Let's go with 85 beats a minute. And we'll take the first part. Okay, so we have a bass hand finger, slap, hand finger, slap. Doo-coo, doo-da. So it's two sets of three, right, basically, and then it ends. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then the second half, so the second half, doon doon ba ba. So one thing that I want to make clear, because I may not always play this exactly like I'm showing you, and that's because rhythms are flexible, rhythms are dynamic, and you can play a rhythm or an implied pattern in different ways, right? I've talked about this before. We all know that you could substitute a slap for a tone or a bass for a tone or a bass for a slap. So if I do that inadvertently, it's just because my brain is looking for new things to do, or maybe it doesn't care what I'm trying to demonstrate. It's like, I just feel like doing something else. And that is okay. It's okay if I do it, and it's okay if you do it. So just give yourself the permission to experiment and do things differently. Let's go over it slowly again, and then we'll just go back to tempo. All right, let's speed it up a little bit just for fun. And I'm going to leave notation for this at our Patreon site, the World Drum Club channel at Patreon, which is patreon.com/Kalani. So you guys get notation, go over there if you're not a member and support the channel. Here it is a little faster. I kind of like playing it at about 102. All right, World Drum Clubbers. I hope you like that. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. We need a name for that. So do that. Be nice in your comments, and I'll see you in a future lesson. If you like that, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and enjoy all the other hundreds of videos we have here at the World Drum Club YouTube channel. If you want to invest in your own education and take it to the next level, join us at patreon.com. You'll get access to me, also other videos, and a bunch of downloads that you can't get here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a World Drum Club supporter.